So Twitter fleets are available in the Twitter app. They are rolled out around different countries gradually, and they're available in the top part just of your Twitter home tab. You will see first the different accounts, your Twitter accounts you're following, and then you can see different like fleets. So just tap and you can just swipe the same as like in Instagram or Snapchat and stuff like that. So that's the idea, and it's pretty simple. So to create a Twitter fleet, just tap add in the top left, and then you have different options in the bottom. You can just share a text. You can change the alignment, you can make it bold, you can do that, and then you can change the color of the text. You can change the background of the feed, something like that. To add emojis, just use your keyboard. Not sure if you can add hashtags. Yep, you can add hashtags, so that's pretty cool. And then just tap fleet, and there you have it. My fleet is posted. I can also upload from camera roll. I can create something like capture. Not sure what that is. I can share a video fleet. Hello fleets. And then I can just again add the text. Change. And then I can just move it around. If I want to delete text, I just swipe it down to the trash icon. And then I just tap fleet in top right. So that's the basic functionality. Yeah, so then you will see your fleets here. You can tap and delete fleet. You can also tweet your fleet as well. So if you just go to your fleet, you can just tap here and then you can tweet this, and then your fleet will be tweeted. So yeah, you can delete them. Fleets are available for 24 hours. And then they just disappear. So it's similar concept to Snapchat or Instagram. Nothing new here. Another thing, you can create fleets from tweets, either your tweets or someone else tweets. So just go to any tweet you want to make a fleet, tap share, and then share in a fleet. And then you're able to share this tweet like in this cool form, change the background, and then tap fleet. Also for accessibility purposes, you can add alt. Oh, nope. You can add alt tags in the bottom right, something like this. Just describe this photo. So there you have it. So you can fleet text, reactions to tweets, photos, videos, and you can customize your fleets with various backgrounds. When you are going to to someone else's fleets, you can send a direct message like here, or you can just send some emoji in the fleet. So that's that. Just like tweets, fleets must follow the Twitter rules. You can report a specific fleet just by going to like specific fleet and then just tap in here or whatever and just tap report. So that's that. At the moment, there is no an option to have like live streaming. I think it will. It's coming soon, and some of the other functionality will also be coming soon. yeah, I think like live streams should come soon. Yeah, it's mentioned in Twitter blog, I guess. Yeah, you can also see how many people actually seen your fleet. In the bottom left, you see that no one has seen your fleet. Okay, but if someone has seen it, you will see who did that, and then you will be able to see their profiles. So that's the idea. So that's Twitter Fleets. It's a cool new feature. So hope you enjoyed this quick overview.